Right, we appear to be recording. Right, I need to do this video because I want the shit that's in this envelope. So, what is in this envelope? Right, did an eBay search for some stuff that fits in the bottom of the camera, which is that size. And it was really pushing this one because, I don't know, it's the only one that was available. And only material is stainless steel, so I only have one choice. Therefore, I'm disregarding that as a material choice. So, anyway, after buying this one, yeah, I'll tell you about that in a moment. But anyway, let's see what the fuck this is. I've got a cold. It's cold in here. Yeah, I don't know if eBay's in league with a few other Hostat, but I don't. Well, who knows? But oh, you fucking bossy. Yeah, nice envelope though, isn't it? Yeah, let's see if we can make that a bit clearer for you. Oh, around there somewhere. There we go. Advertising some cars they don't make anymore. Oh, refocus to somewhere about there. Oh, what? Someone was a stamp collector. Oh, they'd be so pissed at that, wouldn't they? Yeah. Oh, no, they'd be happy. Right, oh shit. Ah, we includes the invoice. Let's get rid of me for that. Anyway, yeah, invoice, blah blah blah, all very Fluggenmutter. Number. Don't know numbers in German. Anyway, we get nice and heavy. I'll give them that. Right, so 10 pieces and some scroll on there. So yeah, 10 of those. Right, and that comes to that much money for the thing, that much money to send them, that much money total. So they work out as 93 pence each. Whatever. Alright. So yeah, after purchasing this, eBay started to reveal its other content. So I spotted this for £6.32 in its no nonsense packaging. There we go. Oh right, yeah, I wanted some grippy nuts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over 63 pH. Right, okay, so disregard that. And then got some bolts for £7.45 and some, hopefully they're the same type nuts as that, for £3.25. Oh look, so okay. How many of these did I buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, nuts. Yeah, this one's definitely heavier. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I'm going to take a guess that the quantity is 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I think that's 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 6. Okay, let's double check. Is my brain fucking dead or something? What the fuck? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yeah, it's fucking 29, you bastards. Okay. That makes the maths even more complicated, but luckily we've got one of these. So 3.25. Hang on, no, let's do it on pence. 325 divided by 29. Oh, 11 pence. Right, let's have a look what we got. So that one's a bit wonky, and it's a bit thinner and all that, but it's eBay, you know what I mean? It's there for buying pieces of shit, isn't it? Anyway, yeah. mean, whatever. Yeah, free trade. Done the video. Catch you later. I hope you enjoyed. Do the push a button or something. Say hello.